everyone. We came to the zoo for Bridget's birthday. Our first thing is the fishes.
There's a fishy. There's in the water. There's a swimming on. In the water? There's swimming.
Your elbow. Come here. Okay, we're back on the edges.
We're gonna ride the train at the zoo. First things first, the train ride. You ready? What does the train say, Johnny?
Ready? Hold on.
What's the tree say?
All right.
All aboard?
All aboard.
Okay, here we go.
What does the train say, Johnny?
What's the tree say?
What does the train say, James?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
I'm so done with this picture. Alright, what do we say? Oh, this one's not bad. Here you go, look. That's actually a little bit
Say cheese, James.
Cheese! Look at me. Thursday night, they're having a function night here. It's all about bringing
Hey, Mingo.
Happy birthday, Bridges!
We got really close.
To the flamingo!
What do you want to tell him?
James is feeding the birds.
Here, I want
Oh.
they know that adults are.
James, look. Look at me. Hold it out, James.
Hold your arm at their level so it's got. Really go panic. They go really.
Come here, James. Feed him.
That's really good.
Come here.
Way to go, big guy. Way to
Come
go.
here. Come here. There you go. Come here. Come here. Come here, birdie.
They probably won't come to an empty cup.
Oh, it's empty. Oh, it's gone.
This just wants to hang out with me. He doesn't love me for my nectar. He just loves me for me.
Hey, Mab, look at Jennifer. Oh, that's so sweet. Look, Mab, look at I'm taking your
Are you
video.
vlogging?
I'm vlogging it.
Oh, yeah.
He loves me for me. He doesn't want my nectar.
I think are those birds?
Are we all done? Are they all gone? It's all gone?
There it is. I'm sure you're sitting right eating the entire time, too. Hi, feed him.
No, here's the you already dropped yours.
What do you think, Johnny? Oh, no, you don't lick it. Just the bird. Here, let me see this one. Let me see this one, Johnny.
You dropped it.
All right, we're done. No, look at that red bird, James. Is that your favorite?
She likes it.
Tell me about the birds, James.
There's red birds and green birds. They're swimming.
Look at me. Tell me about it. They were laughing at you,
Yeah, I'm crying.
and they were licking your hand.
They were crying.
They were crying.
Yeah.
Why were the birds crying?
They would have wanted some food.
They wanted more food.
Yeah.
Okay. The orangutan and the baby, they never do anything, and they're so active. And then there's a big daddy orangutan. Oh, he's a big old thing. He's killing that cupcake. Woo! It's good stuff. Had cupcake. Is it good, Johnny? Is it yummy? Well, hey y'all. I feel like I've kind of my hair left y'all hanging since we left the birthday party for Bridges. And haven't really added anything to the vlog. We just kind of came home, took naps, and then I packed the boys up and we went to church for our first Wednesday night, where we go and eat dinner with the boys and the family, and then all of our friends are there. And then we took the boys to my parents' house, so they're spending the night there, and Jason and I watched our favorite show, Big Brother, and now I'm about to eat some Nutella, which is my new thing. Nutella and graham crackers, or maybe vanilla wafers, and going to bed. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and please don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with all your friends, okay? Thanks. Bye.